For many people, the week of Thanksgiving marks the beginning of holiday decorating. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a door wreath done right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. It's time to start displaying those outside holiday decorations. Yard art and twinkling lights are easy, but when it's time to put up the wreath on the front door, how do you hang it? A nail will certainly do the job, but it isn't very attractive and neither is the hole it leaves behind. If you use door decorations, often it might be worth buying a more attractive hanger like a cup hook or a door hook made from brass. Here's another trick you can try. Loop some fishing line around a thumbtack and stick the tack onto the top edge of the door. Press it down flush so the door will open and close. Then you can hang the wreath on the fishing line, but be sure to pad the back side of the wreath so that it doesn't scratch the door if it swings back and forth. I'm Danny Lipford with Tip for Today's Homeowner.